What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Longhorn spicy chicken bites. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need chicken breast, ginger, garlic, sugar, flour, cornstarch, panko breadcrumbs, buttermilk, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sambal oelek, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Begin by cubing 2 chicken breasts. Place the chicken in a large bowl and season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Add a tablespoon of sambal oelek, add a cup of buttermilk and mix it all together. Cover and marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. Mince a 1-inch piece of ginger. For the dry batter, combine 1 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and season with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. After at least 30 minutes of marinating, coat the chicken in the dry batter. Allow the chicken to rest for 10 minutes. Fry for 4 minutes or until golden. In a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add minced garlic and ginger, and saute for 1 minute or until fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sambal oelek, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and allow to simmer until it thickens. Pour the sauce over the chicken and give it a toss. Garnish with green onion. And there you have it, Longhorn spicy chicken bites. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.